Right, I'm going to look at timing performance. So if I click the Visual Basic button, you can see the two loops are the ones I set up in the previous video. Instead of looking over 5 cells, I'm going to look at 500,000. And if I copy those zeros down to here, that will be the same for both loops. Now I need to have a timer which will run over the first loop and then reset and run for the second. Now hopefully that will give me two values in two pop-up boxes. I then need some data, so if I put 1 in both columns here, and then in this top box here I type A1 to A500,000, hit enter so it selects those cells, and hold down Ctrl and D and that will copy the data down. And again here I can put in a colon and B 500,000, press Ctrl D and that will copy those values down. So it's going to change the ones in the first column to 2s and give me a value for the time it took, and do the same for column B. So I think what you should find is that firstly this takes a little bit of time, and that secondly Excel is going to stop responding. And this is quite a common issue when running macros, and something that can be worked around. But once you start writing your own, you will find that if the macro takes a considerable length of time to complete, that Excel stops responding and the graphics, that is the user interface, disappears and is replaced by this fairly blank looking screen. So we've had 33 as the value for algorithm number 1, and I've clicked OK to get the second algorithm running, and what I would anticipate is that the second algorithm will take just slightly longer, and I'm hoping that will complete and we get another pop-up message box. So this is 48 as compared to 33, and you'll find that as you write Excel code in VBA that performance is an issue and something that you need to keep in mind.